Guys, welcome back. Konnichiwa. Herzlich willkommen. Yeah, guys, I hope you had a good start in the new week and a relaxed weekend. Today is Monday and we are back in business here. Trading is on the plan, so I will give you here an update on DJT, Trump, Media and Technology, aka the Donald Trump stock. I have something new here in the chart which I want to share with you guys, and yeah, give you here of course all the updated price levels based on the chart, and this is of course not financial advice. Yo guys, DJT. So as we all know, we had here a very predictable short squeeze and squeezed here since we hit the bottom here by the end of September. We had here a squeeze from more than 300%. This is the actual situation, 366% in total here in the daily chart. And we see that we now have here a very strong pullback, and if not, the squeeze may be over, guys. So you can see minus 50%. This is still in a squeezable spot because we have here some certain price levels which still supporting the price here for DJT, which are in favor for a squeeze. But when we see what the stock did here in the past, we can also see that we have here huge resistance levels that immediately as we break here some certain price levels or try to break certain price levels, that we start to see here very strong rejections by the market makers, aka the short sellers, guys. As I said, guys, yeah, the purpose is here to educate you in trading, but of course I try to predict short squeezes here. I released my video on DJT here by the end of September and already said that we could see here a squeeze incoming. That's why I make this update right now, because we are here in a situation where I say this is a make it or break it price level now. The price will decide what is next, and I have to show you also the bearish price levels here if we don't continue to squeeze with DJT. Before we start with the chart, guys, I try to predict here always short squeezes on my channel. Therefore, I upload every Sunday my brand new finest selection of short squeeze stocks. I call them the hot stocks. So today is Monday. The brand new video is out right now, which means that this video, which I released yesterday, contains the tickers which I expect to squeeze in the very few next trading days, guys. Yeah, there is no guarantee, of course, but I predicted here many short squeezes already. Just to give you a really rough overview, last week here on Friday we had two squeezes. One of my hot stocks squeezed 173% and the other one here squeezed 122%. That was a swing trade alert ticker, which I only post here on Patreon, guys. And as I said, in this video are now the tickers here for this week and the upcoming trading days where I expect a squeeze to happen. If you want to see those secret short squeeze stocks, guys, and if you really want to learn trading, then you can of course join here our trading community. The most popular membership which I have is the full package membership on Patreon. Every day new members joining in, guys. You can see all the member benefits here, and I'm just preparing something new here for the members. So if you want to join in, you can click here the info icon in the corner, guys, and then you get access to the Patreon member link. So let's continue with DJT, and I show you the bull case first. The bull case is, let me switch off the indicators here, zack. The bull case is, guys, that we come back here over this white trend line. This white trend line supports the price in favor for the bullish algos, and in my opinion, one of the make it or break it price levels is $33.37, guys. This price level is key, is one of the key levels here, because we can see that if we close here with a green candle body over this price range, over this red line here, you can see every time when we had this here, a small squeeze or a bigger squeeze has been initiated. So $33.37 is the make it or break it price level, and you can see that this upgoing trend line here is now almost here in perfect alignment with this price range. That's why I tell you, this is my opinion. I don't want to scare you guys. I don't want to create FOMO or whatsoever, guys. This is just my honest opinion based on the chart, not financial advice. And I say that everything below $33.37 is unfortunately not bullish for DJT. We want to regain here as soon as possible. Very soon, guys. We want to regain this price level and want to see a full green candle body with a daily candle over this price level, guys. Then we have the chance to squeeze back here to $50 or even higher. But as I said, we need here a lot of volume. The volume was very low here. We had a good volume here in the past days, of course. And as I said, this squeeze is not over yet, technically not over yet. But everything below $33.37 is not in favor for a squeeze. The bear case, guys, the bear case, yeah, and we have to be honest and we have to talk about that, and it's very, very obviously here in the chart. I added now this trend channel pattern for you, and you can see that this trend channel pattern is controlling the price for DJT. This is where the algo is waiting here, and yes, we can squeeze out of this trend channel, but you can see that every time when we squeezed here out of this trend channel, the reaction was an immediately sell-off, and the algos here, the market makers, which waiting here at this breakout line, at this uptrend line from this trend channel, guys, the only purpose is to bring the price back down in this bearish trend channel pattern. It is what it is, guys. Also, we can see that when we start to leave this trend channel here, then the reaction is a very big squeeze. So this is just a fake out by the market makers, fake out here, squeeze, fake out here, squeeze, and here a really big fake out to the downside, and then an even more violent squeeze. This is what the market makers do to trap retail, but when you understand how charts are working, and this is what I share here on my channel, I try to share my knowledge here with you guys, that you understand how the algos work, so we know every time when DJT break out of this trend channel, there is a squeeze, yes, but that is not sustainable, so the market makers try to bring the price back down as soon as possible in this trend channel pattern. And what does that mean now for us, guys? That means that if this first squeeze attempt is over, we have a lot of volume here, of course. Yeah, there is a lot of volume, but we have also a lot of red volume here, which means most of the fail to delivers here, or the synthetic shares which created are here during these squeezes, is maybe already settled, guys. And if this has been settled already, that means we will come back down to this trend channel bottom here. And then I said that already in my previous video, the last point of support which I see for DJT is $23.84. And when we go below that, guys, then I think we come back here in this liquidity zone, and the bottom of this trend channel could support the price. So that means the price, in the $15 range to $12 range. The problem is with DJT, and I also mentioned that in all my videos before, guys, or almost every video, we still have one open down gap to fill. In the daily chart, it is waiting here at $10.04, this orange line here in the chart. That's why my landing zone, guys, before we could see again a massive squeeze for DJT, if this squeeze will not continue, then I expect a very, very big violent squeeze to happen as soon as the price comes back down to $10. Don't forget, guys, this is still a long way to go. That will not happen here in a day. That would mean here a price drop of about 64%. But when we see how much we already lost from this last squeeze, and I don't check now the 4 hours chart, I just talk here about the daily chart, we already lost here 50%, guys. So you can see that this is very, very possible for the market makers. And also you can see that the black EMA line here, I don't focus too much on EMA lines, but the black EMA line is also not supporting the price. It is not a huge resistance, but every time when we go over this black line here in the chart, you can see that yes, we can squeeze, but the market makers always try to bring the price below that line, and this is where we are today right now, guys. As I said, we are still very close here to $33. We just need here a few percent, here 19%, let's say 22%, then we are back in this zone, guys. So this is possible. But if this momentum will continue here to the downside, and especially if we break $23.84, this is for now the most significant price range here. Maybe I place some bets here as well for DJT, and try to swing trade here the next squeeze. But in my opinion, when we see the overall pattern, every time when we had here a squeeze to the upside, you can see then, of course, the reaction is a huge sell-off. This is the same what we can see here. Then maybe we have a post squeeze, same like that. This is very easy to trade. That's why I say, everything below $33, guys, is unfortunately not in favor for a squeeze. When we break that level here with volume, with a green candle body, then we can expect here a squeeze to the upside. And I presented already the price levels here in my latest video, guys. That was my quick update, guys, for you on DJT. If you want to copy the price levels here, very important in my opinion to understand where the algos are waiting, how the algos are trading this stock here. And if you want to copy that, guys, here the price levels, then you can pause the video, and this is everything based here on TradingView. TradingView is the chart program which I use for all my videos and for all my personal trades. I'm not sponsored by TradingView, guys, but I can offer you here a discount link for everybody who want to learn trading. When you click the info icon here in the corner, you get access to my discount link, and I always recommend the premium tier. This is good for beginners and advanced traders. Okay guys, that was my update on DJT. I hope that was helpful for you. I hope you could learn something. If you like this content here and if you don't want to miss any updates on DJT or my other short squeeze plays, guys, then please hit the like and subscribe button right now. I wish you nothing but the best, nothing but profits, guys, yeah, for all your trades. Thank you for your time and see you in the next video. Arigato gozaimasu, vielen Dank, alles Gute und bis zum nächsten Video. Take care. Bye bye, guys.